These are 13 millimeter. I didn't completely tighten them yet because I still want it to move a little bit freely. Okay. Here's the tip. And I use my breaker bar to wedge it in between and then just use it as a leverage. Otherwise you're not going to be able to get this bolt in, and then that way you can just move it up and down. Yeah, I think it's a 19 millimeter. The one on the left is 18, so 18, 18, and this is a 21. I'm gonna put the ABS sensor in. This is the 8 millimeter. I don't know if you can see it. Well, you can see it. I actually stripped the ABS sensor bolt. I'm gonna have to take it out and then find a replacement. I moved on to the passenger side until I could find a replacement for the strip bolt. If you want to know how to fix it, go ahead and check the link below. As you can see, I'm having a difficult time trying to put the sway bar link in. So here's a tip, make sure the steering wheel is not in a locked position. The wheels are meant to move around. So make it easier on yourself. Installing the ABS sensor. I was very careful this time to not strip the bolt. And then I'm going to put on the cap. I tightened the 3 mounting bolts and replaced the cap. I also sourced the strip bolt. I moved to the driver's side to complete the installation. One more time, I'm going to use the impact drill to place in the sensor. But this time I'm not going to use the entire force, I'm just going to slowly put it in. That's it. And then just use just wiggle a little bit and then place in the ABS sensor. There we go. Clip it in.